The magic of what? Understanding interrogative pronouns. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're going to delve into the world of interrogative pronouns. Specifically, we're going to focus on the word what. As one of the basic building blocks of English, understanding how to use what will take your language skills to the next level. Before we get into the specifics of what, let's briefly review what interrogative pronouns are. These are pronouns that we use to ask questions. They replace the noun that is the answer to the question. Common examples include who, whom, which, whose, and of course, what. Now that we've covered the basics, let's focus on the interrogative pronoun, what. We use what to ask about things, situations, or information we don't know. This pronoun doesn't refer to a specific noun, but rather it asks for identification or clarification. Here are some examples. 1. What is your name? 2. What are you doing? 3. What is the time? In each case, what is being used to inquire about an unknown piece of information. What can be used in a variety of contexts, and its meaning can change slightly depending on the situation. Here are a few more examples to consider. 1. What kind of music do you like? Here, what is asking for a category. 2. What happened at school today? Here, what is asking for a description of events. 3. What should we do now? Here, what is asking for a suggestion or plan. Remember, what is a versatile tool when asking questions in English. It can be used to request all kinds of information. Well, that's a wrap on our deep dive into the interrogative pronoun, what. With this in your language tool belt, you can now ask a wide variety of questions in English. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate what into your everyday conversations. We hope you found this video helpful and keep up the good work on your English language learning journey. We'll see you in the next video.